of question 2, which was saying given that
those in the audience at Wampeewo, Ntaake, avoid speaking when the presenter is speaking.
Plus 3 cos theta. And if Q is equal to Q is equal to 2 sine theta plus 3 cos 3 sine 2 theta. They wanted us to find the greatest and least values of E squared plus Q squared. So what I did was to first of all square both sides. If I square P, I'll have P squared plus Q squared to give me, I can use an identity by saying that this is 4 cos squared plus, I'll have 4 cos squared theta plus 9 cos squared theta plus 2 times 2 cos squared theta times 12 cos theta cos 2 theta. So I'm adding plus, I'll have 4 sine squared theta plus, it will be 9, it will be 9 sine squared 2 theta plus 12 sine theta sine 2 theta. So simplifying further, I can arrange this. I have 4 cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. So I can factorize out the 4. I'll remain with 4 into sine squared theta plus cos squared theta. But sine squared theta plus cos squared theta is 1. So I'll remain with the 4 there. Then plus 9. But there's also this cos squared theta plus I have 9 squared theta plus also 9 squared sine 2 theta, which is a 1. So I'll have plus 9. Then plus, I can factorize out a 12 out of this. And I simplify, I'll have cos theta, cos 2 theta, plus sine theta, sine 2 theta. So this is the same as having, this is the 13 plus 12 into cos theta. The double angle of cos is cos squared theta minus sine squared theta plus sine theta into, I can first of all, okay, let me first of all leave this one as sine 2 theta. Or I can simplify it further. It will be sine squared theta cos theta. Remember the double angle of sine, this will get 2 here, there will get 2 here, sorry. The double angle of sine is 2 sine theta cos theta. So here I'll have 13 plus 12 into, this will be cos cubed theta, opening the brackets, minus cos theta sine squared theta plus 2 sine squared theta. I'll have remain with 13 plus 12 cos cubed theta plus, because this is -1 and also plus 20. I can take it as plus cos theta sine squared theta. I can factorize out the cos theta from this. I'll have 13 plus 12 cos theta into cos squared theta plus sine squared theta. But cos squared theta plus sine squared theta is 1, which is 13 plus 12 cos theta. And they told us to find this is P squared plus Q squared. But the question was saying that find the greatest and least values of p squared plus q squared. But remember very well, for the greatest values of cos theta, for cos theta to be maximum, that means this cos theta is equal to, for maximum, cos theta is equal to 1. Therefore, to get the greatest value of p squared plus q squared will be equal to 13 plus 12 times 1, which is 25. And the least value will be for the least value of cos theta is equal to -1. That means I'll have 13 minus 12. -1 will multiply 12 and make it a negative. So I'll have 13 minus 12, which is 1. And therefore the least value is 1 and the maximum, the greatest is 25. And part 2 of the question was saying, I'll grab off these. That p squared plus q squared is equal to 19. For ranges of theta of 0 degrees, less than theta, less than or equal to 90 degrees. So they want us to find the value of, they want us to get the value of theta. So remember, having got somewhere here, I proved that cos, I said that p squared plus q squared, or p squared plus q squared was equal to 13 plus 12 cos theta. That means I'm going to say now, that means that when I'm talking that p squared plus q squared is equal to 19. That means I'm going to equate this to 19 by saying that 13 plus 12 cos theta is equal to 19. And that means that cos theta, if I take the 13 this side, I'll have 12 cos theta is equal to 19 minus 13, which is a 6. So I'll have 12 cos theta giving me a 6. If I divide through by 12, I'll have cos theta giving me a half. If I simplify it further, because it will be 6 out of 12, which is a half. Therefore, getting the cos inverse of a half, which is cos inverse of a half, which is 60 degrees. Therefore, theta is equal to 60 degrees. But remember, they told us, they gave us ranges of 0 degrees less than or equal to theta, less than or equal to 90 degrees. Less than or equal to 90 degrees. That means they have locked us in the first quadrant for all. That means that, and remember, it's a positive angle for the first quadrant. That means I'm going to take my theta as 60 degrees. I can't go on to this quadrant because they have locked us to 90 degrees. That means I'll say that for my theta is equal to 60 degrees for those ranges. Then they told us to show that PQ is equal to negative 5√3 over 4. But I know my P. My P was 2 cos theta plus 3 cos 2 theta into, because it's a multiplication, my Q was 2 sin theta plus 3 sin 2 theta. So but I've got my theta from part 2 as theta being equal to 60 degrees. That means I'm going to substitute into this. I'll have 2 cos degrees plus 4 cos 120 into 2 sin .
Wampeewo, try unmuting your.
Give you negative half, which will be negative 3 out of 2. Sin of 60. That means I'll have root 3, 2 times root 3 over 2, which is root 3, plus sine of 120 is root 3 over 2, which is 3 times root 3 over 2, which will be root 3 over 2. So simplifying this one further, getting the LCM here, I'll get this one will give me negative a half. If I simplify further by getting the LCM, this one also getting the LCM will be 2, which will be 2 root 3 plus root 3. Getting the LCM, yes, we will get this is the same as 5 root 3 over 2 times 2, which is 4, as required.